And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 183. Let me show you the two hand tools. They can be used to navigate the canvas. So what I like to use is the mouse wheel. You can move up and down with it. When you hold Control, it's left and right. When you hold Alt, you're going to zoom in and out. But we also have a hand tool, and this can be activated when you press the spacebar. Then you can left click drag and move around in your image. You can also find it right here. Short key is H. So with the spacebar it's temporarily active. When you activate it here, it will be active without holding any keys. You also have three options up there for zoom levels, 100%, depends on the size of the image, obviously how far it zooms in then fit screen and fill screen. So normally you have kind of like a paint job on one of the images, you have to use brushes. And then you may have zoomed in a little bit to fix a little detail. And then I would press the spacebar, left click, drag to navigate, paint on the next area, and so forth. So that's, I think, the best way to use these tools. But as I've said, you can also press H and then activate them for good. There's another one below, so if you right click on the H, there is the rotate view tool, short key is R, and this just, as the name suggests, to rotate your image. So you can left click drag and then rotate it manually, give it a rotation angle right here, use the arrow keys up and down to rotate by 1 degree, or use this wheel, and you can always reset the view. And these are the hand tools in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.